Did you know that one of history's most influential figures was Marcus Garvey, a visionary leader and advocate for Black empowerment? His story is a testament to the power of unity and the pursuit of a better future. Born in the late 19th century, Marcus Garvey was a trailblazer, much like the richest man in history, with his wealth measured in the hearts he touched and the minds he inspired. With unwavering determination, he championed the rights and dignity of Black people worldwide. Like buried treasure, his message of pride and self-reliance resonated deeply with the African diaspora. Marcus Garvey founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association, a powerful organization that sought to unite Black people and promote their economic and social progress. His vision of a united Africa and a strong Black community echoed like thunder across the globe. Through his powerful speeches and writings, Marcus Garvey ignited a flame of hope and pride in the hearts of millions. His iconic phrase, "Up, you mighty race, accomplish what you will," continues to inspire generations. Though he faced challenges and opposition, Marcus Garvey's legacy as a visionary leader lives on. His impact on the fight for civil rights and self-determination remains an inspiration to people everywhere.